Okay, my peeps. This is Aya with Lumbry Worms and Garden. Today is Saturday, September 13th, 2025. I am at the farmer's market again. I'm consistently here on the weekends, Saturdays, Fridays, 9 to 2. Yeah. It's just absolutely fabulous here. A lot of traffic, a lot of stuff to buy here. It's predominantly Amish products. It's just a treat. Folks come from DC, Virginia, Maryland, all over for all the fabulous opportunities to purchase things. Well, just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm here at the farmer's market getting it done on this Saturday.